Okay, so here we are. This is gonna be the CNC Spindle Light holder. I've already made the measurement from the CNC machine and list them down here. So this is gonna be I'm gonna be using this to design the holder itself. So I'm gonna be using 1, 2, 3 design. Okay, it's gonna open here. Here's the working ground. I'm gonna go ahead straight forward to the menu, the options here, and then I'm gonna choose a circle. So as we saw, the first dimension is gonna be 26.44. Okay, 26.44 millimeters. Now this is the dimension of the motor. It's gonna fit right. It's gonna fit really nice. So then I'm gonna go ahead and to build the whole holder, and then you're gonna see how I go about it step by step. So the next measurement is gonna be the inner thickness. Is 2.66 millimeters. Okay, I'm gonna go to this option over here, offset, click there and try to pull it outwards, and then I'm gonna type in manually 2.66 millimeters. Okay, and now we're gonna go ahead and create another spacing for the electronics of the PCB itself. Go get to the same option, click there, come over here, and then it's gonna be the 11.206. correct. Let me check. This is the third one here. This is a PCB spacing. Okay, PCB gonna come around this section over there. Okay, and the last one is the last one, but so then we have number 4 here, 2.6 millimeter thickness. Okay, same option again. Something's wrong here. Wait, choose again. Okay, I'm gonna 2.66 millimeters. Now we have our ring holder. So the electronics come in between here, and this dimension here is for the motor. Okay, to go through. So I'm gonna also design a hole here for the cables to go out from the back side. Okay, that's this one here, 6.6 millimeters for the wire, for the wire hole. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and choose a rectangle over there, and then type in 6 millimeters, click enter, and then now we have our ring. Okay, I'm gonna flip it a little bit, move so we can have a nice view angle to extrude the whole ring. So we're gonna come here and then left click, then I get option here to extrude the model itself. Then I'm gonna pull upwards up to 18 millimeters. Yep. Okay, and then I got the second one here, and then I'm gonna extrude it only 3 millimeters, enough. And the third one we're gonna go again to 18 millimeters perfectly, and turn it again from the down one here, and then you're gonna extrude where the wire is gonna go through, like so, and then push it all the way in, enter, and then we have our nice ring. Okay, I'm gonna hide the sketches, the sketch lines, like so. Then you have a better view. So now, as you can see, the motor goes here in between our electronics of the PCB. It's gonna go in between there, and then it comes out there through the wires, go through the hole there. So this is how easy it is working on this program as well. I like it. So now the next thing to do now is to save this work. Okay, I'm gonna save to my computer. I'm gonna call it CNC Light. Save it, and then so since I need to print this, I'm gonna export this to a STL file. Okay, and then I'm gonna say also CNC Light and save it, and that's all about it. So we just made our case, so we're gonna go ahead to with the printing and then putting things together. Save the work. Yep.